Netflix is hiring an L5 data engineer. And if you know anything about jobs at Netflix, you know that they tend to be really chill and they shell out the big paychecks like this. But this job is no walk in the park. In fact, it is a properly adult job. And I want you to pay attention even if you think you're not ready to take this job on now, because these are the skills you'll need to know to land big ticket jobs. Let's talk about the technical requirements first. You will need to have skills in Python and SQL that are specialized for setting up data pipelines for large data sets. You will need to be familiar with at least one distributed query processing framework, for example, PySpark. You will need to know how to orchestrate workload-heavy jobs that depend on one another using frameworks like Airflow. And you'll need to know at least one data warehousing technology that lets you do massively parallel processing, for example, Snowflake. If you want to stand out in your application, here are 3 projects that you can add to your resume to get a leg up. Number 1, build a data model and a framework that lets you evaluate content based on its engagement and return on investment. Number 2, set up a distributed pipeline that ingests metadata from unlodged content and feeds it into a machine learning model to predict the success of the launch. When you have a content library that is diverse like Netflix, you're going to have a lot of source-specific metrics. So you can build a data abstraction layer that lets the many different stakeholders at the company focus on metrics that matter the most.